Hey there, it's me Hamza Ali. Welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing tutorial of an exciting instrument called Kazoo. So without any further delay, let's dive into it. All you need is A4 size printing paper because printing paper has a good volume. Any sort of sticking tape, scissors to cut, make sure it's safe, and when you use it, take help from any adult. Rubber band, elastic band, make sure it's a smaller one. Any thin plastic wrap or plastic bag. Now the process. We will take our paper and cut out 1/4 section of it. Fold it to give it a nice crease and cut it with scissors. Don't throw the smaller section as we will use it in the process. Now, roll the paper to make a big tube and hold it with our sticking tape. As I told you before, you can use any sort of tape. You can roll it all over the tube as well to give it extra strength. But in this video, I am using tape at the ends of the tube. Almost done. There. Our first tube is completed. We will use the remaining section to make a smaller tube and use the tape to hold it. At the point we have two tubes. One is big and one is small. Now, take the bigger tube and nearly at the point of 1/3 section, cut a hole. Cut a hole of almost same diameter of the smaller tube. There is a tip for you. When you start cutting the hole, don't cut it a big one. Try to cut a smaller hole and then adjust it accordingly so that your smaller tube will fix into the hole properly. And we will poke the smaller tube in the bigger one. I think it's a good fit. You will see some air leakage there, so we will cover it with the tape. It's a basic kazoo form. Now we will give it the voice. For voice, take the rubber band and plastic bag. Cut out a small section of plastic bag and tie it up with the rubber band. I'm cutting a small square-shaped plastic. There you go. Our kazoo is complete. Now, some decorations. You can decorate as much as you like. Give it vibrant colors, stickers, etc. I like to make it simple. Let's take a closer look. See how beautiful it is. Our kazoo is ready, full and final. It's time to play. I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more fun musical videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.